Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn how to display random games on our home fragments. Okay, so let's get started. Go to app, then go to Java. Under your package name, go to fragment and go to home fragment. Now go to at the top. So to displaying random games, our home layout, this one, go to layout and fragment home. This one. Here is the random games title, means type, and here is the random games list, which in the recycler view. Okay, so we have to start working on it. So first of all, you have to define your list as like featured games and adapter as like featured games adapter. Let's create it, try it, add it, and inside add it, type your list class name, which is random game list. Now you have to give a name to your list. Let's name it random. Now create adapter. Uh, this one, your random game adapter, and also name. Now it has been done. Now scroll down. Now you not need to make changes in the on create view. As you can see, we have created a custom function for our home fragment for your regions. So just go to the list data method and create, define, initialize your list here. Random game list is equal to new array list. Okay, now it has been done. Now go to the layout manager method and create a grid layout manager for this one. Let's name it random manager. Okay, you can give any name, it is totally up to you. Okay, new grid layout, pass your activity context, and now you have to pass, you have to pass uh, a number of columns you need in a row. So we need only two, so just you have to type two. Okay, now it has been done. Now you have to set this layout manager to your recycler view, and as you can see, your recycler view is rb random, this id. Okay, so call this id using binding rb random, and now use the set layout manager property and set this random manager, and it has been done. Okay, now you can see we have a function or method for getting featured games from the api, and our previous method was fetch most played games, which is used to fetching most played games from the api, this one. Okay, so you can copy simply any this method. Okay, there is no any issue. Type control, you have to select this one. You have to double click uh, left left side of this public method. Okay, double click on it to select this whole method. Okay, it will select automatically complete function. Okay, now just you have to use the copy function, so let's copy it. Okay, now after paste it, this bracket, press ctrl v to paste it. Now change this method name. Let's name it fetch. Now it has been fine. Now we have to change the list and adapter class and our response class. Okay, So let's get started. Change this one first of step by step. Okay, so start from here. Our list name is random game list. This one, this one. Okay, which we have created now. Okay, now our adapter is random game adapter. Okay, now it has been done. Now we have to call our response class, which is random game response. Okay, this one. So select this one, type random game response. Okay, now press enter. Do not need to worry if you see error like this, because this error is showing that you are using a two different response class. Okay, so do not need to worry, we have to change it one by one. Okay, so just simply now copy this one and paste it here, also there, also there. Okay, now here it has been done. Okay, now as you can see, this is still showing error because we are using the old method which is from our other method, this one. Okay, not played games. So we have to use a method or function for this uh, random games. Okay, so it is not this one. As you can see in the API files, we have created a function which is the get random games, right? So we have to type it here, get random game. Okay, error has been gone. Now also you have to get the list which is given in our response class. This is here, get random game list. Okay, so you have to pass it here, get random game. Okay, same is here, get random game list. Okay, now it is showing a error because we are using a different adapter class, so we have to also change it. Okay, so do not worry, we are doing it step by step. Do not worry. So now as you can see, our into the home fragment, we are using a text view which is TV random. So copy this ID and paste it here. Here. Now, as you can see, first of all, let's make the changes. As you can see, our lit name is random game lit. So you have to change it also there, random game list. Okay. Now go to the next and now come here. It is not our adapter. Our adapter is random game adapter. So let's change it. Random adapter. Also change it there and also change it there. Okay, now you have to change this list also. Our list name is random game list. Okay, now you have to change this adapter class. Our adapter class is random game adapter. Okay, okay. Now it has been done, and also you have to pass our random game adapter. Now it has been done, and everything is fine, and one thing is remaining. What is that? We have to call this function in our own create view method, right? Now press Ctrl C, copy this method name and go to on create view method and paste it after the this method. Okay, now our work has been completed. Now it's time to run our app. Okay, so do not worry. So let's get started. First of all, once more check the code. Okay, as you can see, we have to use a different name related to our random game response. We used a previous old name which is also used in our most played game section right here. So we need to use a different one, and also there is no issue if you use same. Okay, because we are clearing everything here and initializing it after the on response function. Okay, so let's change it. If you want to change, then how you can do it, just simply what you can do, keep the cursor on it and refactor, then go to rename. Okay, now you have to type random game response as it is suggesting you at third position. Okay, just select this one and press enter. Let me first check whether it is do not change in this function. Okay, no issue, it will not change there. Okay, so let's name it, do it again, refactor, rename, and now just like this, refactor, rename. Okay, now select random game response. Okay, now press enter. It has been ready. Now make sure that it is not changing. Okay, yes, good. We want to only change in this method only. Okay, it is changed in this method only. It is working fine and as expected. So let's run the app to check whether it is working or not. Okay, so simply press the run app icon from here and go here. Wait till it is working. As you can see, our app has been loaded successfully, and goes to down, scroll it. Okay, now as you can see, our random games is also working fine, but they are not displaying here because maybe we have forget this recycler view setting. Okay, so let's stop our app and working on it. Go to the home fragment, and as you can see, our recycler view name is rv random. Okay, but we have given rv most viewed. Okay, so let's replace it with, and now everything is fine. Okay, so let's check it once again. Now it is fine. Maybe scroll down. Yeah, working. As you can see, all random games are showing here. Yes, good. Okay, it is working fine. Maybe you can change the random games from here. Yes, you can change a number of games from here. We are using a two games in a row, so let's make it 22 or either 24 or 20. Okay, just make 20. Okay. Now update it and restart our app. Yes, it is working fine. As you can see, we have a number of 20 games for in our random game section. Fine. Hope you understanding how it is working. And there is a issue also, which is that there is no progress bar. Okay, so we have to add a progress bar to show it before loading the games. Okay, so let's create it. As you can see in the category section. Okay, in the category section, a progress bar is displayed. Okay, but in the home, it is not displaying any progress bar because we didn't edit it yet. So let's edit it. Okay, it is very simple to add. What you can do, go to the home fragment level. Okay, now after this closing tag of nested scroll view, we have to create a progress bar. Okay, you can also show a progress dialog, but it is not a good sign of a good programmer. So and not make your app professional because it will crash your app if you forget to make it at a right time closing. Okay, so uh, all the functional app uses this progress bar only. Okay, so let's create it on here, or you can simply copy from the category fragment which we have created already. Just copy this one, no need to make any changes. Copy, go to the home fragment and paste it here also. Now as you can see it is working fine, but we have to make visibility gone for this our nested scroll view. Okay, as you can see we have added a visibility function, so let's make it gone. Okay, it is not issue to if you place invisible also. Okay, now it is looks good. So now our home fragment, and as you can see we have three functions. Okay, these three functions. First, app getting featured games. After that, the getting most played games, and after it is getting random games. So we have to stop displaying our progress bar after getting the response from this random games. Okay, so let's get it. Go to the random game function. Okay, now after getting in the on response function method, after this if else condition. Okay, now uh, you have to call your dot binding dot nested scroll view. Okay, dot set visibility visible binding dot progress bar set visibility gone. It has been done. Okay, no issue at all. As you can see, we have to check the app to test the functions. Okay, so let's run your app. Now focus on the app launching. As you can see, progress bar is showing, and now it is hidden and displaying the games. Okay, fine. Yes, it is working fine. There is no issue at all. Now let's go on category. Also, progress was displaying, and now go back to the home. Progress bar is displaying. Okay, now it is working fine. No issue at all. Okay, I hope you understand the programming for this API call. If you face any issue in the future or during this video, please feel free to contact me. Okay, for now this video has been completed. I will meet you in the next video.